Okay, so in this video, we're gonna reassemble the all the hardware that goes onto your seat. So it might have come loose over time, and it just kind of got to the point where it just kind of all fell apart. So it's a pretty straightforward assembly. So I've got my seat upside down, so you can see these adjustment rails here. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is take piece number one is going to be this inside bracket that's got these ridges and teeth. We're just going to put it on the rail like so. Got this U bracket here with teeth as well. Just going to fit it inside of that bracket like so. And then finally we have the other inside bracket that we're just going to put onto the rail like so. And all the teeth need to fit within each other. You don't have to get too particular with this part, but just as long as the holes are aligned. So then we're going to take our little axle here and slide that through. You might need to jiggle it a little bit, and that's all the way through. You can see I've got threads on this side and threads on that side, like so. We're going to take this part right here, and that is going to slide over the threads and will fit inside of this bracket in here like so. Repeat on the other side, because these brackets are just capturing this assembly on the inside and just kind of hugging it to the outside of the rails. I'm going to take our nuts, just kind of hand tighten them. They're lock nuts, so they will get to a point where you need to use a tool. So we'll just thread them on like so. There you go. That's pretty much the assembly that you see here. You can tighten them a little bit at this point, but don't tighten them too much, because you're gonna have to put this on the seat post, and then fully tighten, as you see here. And that little clicking that you hear here, that's totally fine. That's just the teeth kind of working against each other. And as you tighten, the teeth will come together and interlock like so. Okay, that's how you assemble your seat.